How to listen to books on Amazon Kindle application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily listen to books on Amazon Kindle. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Kindle application or simply navigate to its official website. After that, go to the book section and click on the store option at the top right corner. Now you need to narrow down your search. So for that, click on the three lines at the top left corner and in the little menu, you will see the option of audiobook store. Simply click on it and now your search will be narrowed down and you will see the list of books that are only available for audio. So now when you click on the search bar and type the book which you want to listen to, you need to first choose the option of Audible. And that's it. Once you choose this option, you need to select the book which you want to listen to on Amazon Kindle. And now you can download this book, either make it offline available or read it at the moment or even buy it. So that's it. That is how easily you can listen to books on Amazon Kindle application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.